Dear students, I am going to teach you the second poem, Wind. Wind has been composed by Subramanyam Bharati, a great nationalist, a freedom fighter, and a social reformer. The poet advises us that we should face the challenges and problems in life with courage and firm determination. The poet advises in this poem that we should make ourselves strong in life. The poet tells the wind, do not break the shutters of the windows, do not pull down the houses, do not scatter paper on the table, do not pull down the shelf of the books. The poet says, O wind, blow softly and slowly. Look at what harm you have caused. You have pulled down the shutters of the windows. You have broken the weak houses. You have pulled down the houses. You take interest in making fun of weaklings. You have caused a great loss. You put off the small amount of fire and you provoke the big amount of fire. The poet here suggests the readers that if you want to be friend of wind, you have to be strong. Only the strong people survive in the world. The weak people do not survive in long run. The message of the poem is that we should make ourselves strong. We should make strong houses. In that case, our houses can be saved from the wind. If our houses are strong, the wind can cause no harm. So in life, we have to be strong. If we are not strong, we cannot survive in the world. There is also a saying, the God favors the brave. In this world of the problems, challenges, those who are strong, they can do something. That's all.